Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Topical Talks for a new tutorial video. And in this video,
we will learn how to fix the Reconnect bug in League of Legends. In order to fix the Reconnect bug in League of Legends, firstly we need to head to the search panel. From here, search for League of Legends. Then click on Open File Location. After that, right click on the League of Legends shortcut from here. Click on Open File Location again. Now from here, head back to Riot Games folder. Then go to the League of Legends folder. From here, scroll down until you find the league client.exe. From here, right click on Properties, go to the Compatibility section, and from here click on Run this program in compatibility mode. Windows 7 or 8, either will be fine. Then click on Disable Full Screen Optimization and click on Run this program as an administrator. After you have applied the settings, click on Apply and OK. Now exit the folder. After that, we need to head to the network and internet settings. To do that, right click on the network button on the bottom right hand side of your screen. From here, go to the network and internet settings. After that, go to the Ethernet section. From here, you need to head to the DNS section. From here, click on the edit button. From here, select the preferred DNS to be the DNS of Google, which is 8.8.8.8, and the alternative DNS will be 8.8.4.4. Click on the save button. Now exit. So after that, if you open up League of Legends and get into any game, you will see that you are not facing the Reconnect bug anymore, and you can enjoy your game at the fullest.
thank you again for watching the video. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next video.